Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a quick Amazon unboxing. And this is Kathy from the future. I just want to let you know that I recorded this video about a year ago, and at the end of this video, near the end, I'm going to be doing a review of this product, okay? All right, let's go back to the regularly scheduled video. As you can see, I've got my brand new laptop sitting out here. And the thing that we bought here has to do with my laptop. So I'm eager to see it. So let's take a look. I'm just trying to open it so that my address doesn't show. Holding it upside down. Okay. So this is nothing really fancy or anything, but I'm hoping it will work. This is a laptop cover that is supposed to protect my keyboard, because my old Acer keyboard, almost all of the letters are gone. So, yeah. So I ordered this, and it's supposed to be for the new Acer Predator Helio 16, which is what I have. So apparently there's some stickers here. I don't know what they're for. And I guess there's some instructions here. And it says here, superior to fit on keyboards, eliminates movement, protects against spills, resists dirt and stains, washable with mild soap and water. And it's supposed to fit my new laptop. So this is what it is. It's just a very lightweight plastic thingy with a fold down the middle. So let's see. Let's bring this closer and see if it actually does fit. And I might have to come back and show you. Looks like it just fits right over like this. So just give me a second, you guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so it sort of fits, but not quite. They lie. This does not fit the brand new Acer Helios. It says it doesn't fit the 2023 Helios, but this is the 2024. And excuse me. And it says that this is the cover for the 2024, which is what I have. So it almost fits. Let me take my camera off out of the stand and show you. So you can see here, for the first row, they don't fit. The F keys, they're not right. They're the wrong size. Like, it's still usable, but the other keys kind of fit. So it's just the F keys that don't fit, and like, you can type through them anyway. But yeah, it's kind of a shame that it doesn't fit the way it should have. Now, if I stretch it, maybe it's over more to get it to fit better, but it won't. But everything else does fit, and I will try it and see how it works and if I like it. And I'll do a review later. This is strictly an unboxing. So again, if you want to see, this is what I got. It's the keyboard cover for 2024 new Acer Predator Helio 16. It says does not fit the 2023. My computer is a 2024. I just bought it. It's brand new. And I was just really hoping that this cover would help. But I'll do a review after I've used it for a little while. So that is it for the simple unboxing. So anyway, let me know in the comments if you've ever used anything like that, whether you recommend it or not. All right, guys, this is Kathy from the future. It is almost a year later since I recorded this video. It might actually be a year by the time you see it, because I'm stockpiling videos to go up on my channel while I'm away at the cottage this summer. So anyway, I have been using this cover for almost a year. It never stretched to fit properly. It always annoys me when I think about it, but it did protect my keys. None of my keys have any wear or tear. Whereas a year after I had my last Acer laptop, all of my most used keys were already worn down. So it does protect the keys. And if you can somehow find one that fits your keyboard perfectly, it will be great. But this does kind of work. So I'm still going to give it a B, instead of an A. All right, so let's go back to the regular video now. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, all of those good things that help me as a channel. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. And sorry about the marker on my hands. It's Inktober, so for the whole month of October, I'm going to have marker on my hands. It's really hard to get out. Bye, guys.